Hello everyone, this is B for Try Me Once Reviews, and today we are reviewing FineSource RFID wallet. So I have to say this is one of the finest packaged wallets I've received. It comes really nice, velvet like packet, and the way it was packaged. If I have to give someone, the gift should be packaged like this. Now talking about the wallet, so this is the wallet. It is a bifold black wallet. You can see you have 6 slots for your cards here and 2 nice pockets right here, slot for your ID card and stuff. This is the RFID secure wallet. RFID, so it protects any RFID waves passing through, which protects your credit card information. I usually go ahead and test these wallets with our regular identity cards in your office environment. I've tested this as well, and this works really nice. I couldn't shoot the video alone, so that's why the video is not included, but I've tested it with my RFID card, and this wallet uh, works as it claims to be as a RFID protective device. So all in all, if you're looking for a wallet for yourself or for gifting purposes, which is RFID secure, this is a really nice choice and I can recommend it. This was B for Try Me Once Reviews. Thank you.